Hello, and welcome to the LFD Solution video tutorial program. My name is Tara Wong, and this is Chapter 6 of a 9-chapter series where we will introduce you to our Samsung Smart Signage platform and how to use our Magic Info solution. In this chapter, you will learn how to schedule content on your server for publishing to connected LFDs. We will also show you a neat new feature for multiple schedules and message scheduling. Now, let me introduce Tony Pham from the B2B Solution Consulting Group. He will be presenting today's chapter to you.
Hello, and welcome back. As you already know, my name is Tony Pham, and I will be your host today to teach you how to schedule contents on your Magic Info server so that it will publish it to your LFD to be played back. There are two ways you can load contents onto your server. First is by publishing it from the Magic Info Author GUI system. Another is to add content directly to the server from either an external PC through FTP or to upload contents stored on the same PC that the server is running on. For this tutorial, we will add contents stored locally. To add contents directly, go to the Content tab on top. When there, hit the Add button. You will see two options, Local and Removed. Click on Local. There will be a pop-up box at the bottom asking you to save or open the uploader. Just hit Open. A Java application will now launch. You will now see a Content Uploader box. Hit the Add Content button. Select the content that you want to upload to your server. Here, I will upload a video and an image. If you want to upload multiple things in a folder, just hold down the Control button on your keyboard. Now you will see the content name and the file size. In the upper right-hand corner, you can select what transmission method you want to use. I will use FTP. When you're ready, hit the Start Upload button. You will get a pop-up box when the upload is complete. Hit OK. Back on the Server Content tab, you will now see your newly uploaded content. Now that we have our content, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist. First, go to the Playlist tab, then go to New. Let's give our playlist a sample name. Pick a device type. I'm going to pick S2 player. Then add contents. I will add the contents that I have just uploaded earlier. As you can see here, I made it so that 3 images will play first, then my video. Hit OK. As you can see, each element has a time associated with them. When you're happy with what you have, or you can click on the items to change the time. Okay. When you're happy with what you have, hit Save. So now you have a playlist. Now I'm going to show you how to schedule your playlist. Go to the Schedule tab, then go to New. Now enter a schedule name. For the supported device group, select the group that you want your content to be played on. So for this one, I will select S2. For schedule group, I will select default. Here, you will now select the group of the LFDs that you want to play on. Once that is done, hit next in the upper right hand corner, and now you will be shown the schedule screen. Under the schedule screen, we will now schedule our content. Click your mouse anywhere on the time calendar. At the top, for the content, select player, then hit the select button. Let's go to the playlist that we had selected earlier. This is our sample playlist. Select it, hit select. To make it easy, we will do never expire and all day. So now we have scheduled channel 1. But for the new server, we can actually schedule multiple channels. So hit the add channel button as you see here on this page. This is now channel 2. Repeat what we have did in the previous channel, but this time choosing a different content. So for this one, I will just choose this video. Hit OK. Again, to make it easy, do never expire, all day, hit save. Below your channel, you can see a channel name. You can actually change your channel name. So let's change our channel name and give it a description. Good. Once you're happy with everything you have, hit save in the upper right hand corner. And now your schedule is being published to your LFD. To check the status of your content download, you can hit the info button on the remote control while running Magic Info Player to see if the content is being downloaded. You can also check using the server. First, go to device. Your LFD should be there, and it should also display a screenshot of your content. Click on the LFD. A pop-up box will tell you information about what's going on with your LFD. There are 4 tabs you can select from. They can all tell you what content your LFD is currently playing on what schedule. If you click on the content download status, you will see the current status of the LFD downloading your schedule. If you've done everything correctly, the status should be 100% and the LFD will be playing your newly created content from whatever you have uploaded. As you can see here, my status is 100%. It is good. Now, let's see our newly scheduled content showing on our LFDs. So, go to Player, and then select Network Channels. As you can see here, our left side LFD is playing channel 1, and our right side LFD is playing channel 2. Congratulations! Now you know how to upload and schedule your contents, and create a playlist, and create multi-channels for your contents. There's one last thing I want to show you, and that's how to schedule messages to your LFDs. That's right. Besides media contents, you can also schedule it so that certain words or phrases can appear on your LFDs at certain time. Now, I will show you how to schedule messages to your LFD. First, go to Schedule. On the left-hand side, look for the message word. Click on it. And now you can see this is where you will create your messages. So hit New. For basic properties, it is a similar setup to how you schedule your contents. Give your message schedule a name. Then select the group that you want the message to be in. Select the device group that you want the message to be played on. Because I only have S2 player, I would choose S2. Hit OK. Then pick the right device group that you want the message to be scheduled to. Once you're happy, hit Next in the upper right-hand corner. Here, you can input in whatever message you want. So I will input in. Then, to make it easy, we would do never expire and playing time as all day. For our font option, let's go with medium, Arial. For our scroll setting from the left, fast. Here you can see is the preview screen as to how your message would look like. Now, similar to your content, you can add multiple messages. So let's add another message. This is a second message. Again, put never expire, all day. Under font option, you can change the font color by clicking on this. So let's give it a blue color. You can also change the background color by clicking on this. And then let's go with green. Let's make it bigger. And let's change the font option to Verdana. We will now change the solid to transparent. Good. For scroll setting, let's do it up and normal. Okay. Now hit save in the upper right-hand corner. But you will get a warning that says you can only have one message at one period and time. That is because you can only have one period during the same period and time. So hit OK. To fix this, we will delete this message. OK. Now we only have one message. Hit save in the upper right-hand corner, and then that's it. You will be taken back to the home screen, and pretty soon your new message will appear on your LFD. Okay, now let's see how our message would look on our LFD. So, go to Player, then go to Network Channel, and look at that. As you can see, our message is scheduled and is overlaid on top of the contents that we had scheduled earlier. Congratulations! You now know how to schedule messages to your LFD. I hope today's lesson was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you again in the future. Ciao!
Thank you, Tony, for your presentation. So, in Chapter 6 today, you were given a tutorial on how to schedule content on your server for publishing to connected LFDs. In the next chapter, Chapter 7, we will show you how to use the Magic Info Premium S embedded in the display. See you then!